my name is Alejandra. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. It's so freaking nice to meet ya.
If I fall on the floor, I will just get back up, ask for more. I'ma keep playing pain strings till they chanting encore. Do you? Don't let them push your youth.
Today's video is basically going to be a cleaning vlog, but before we get to do fun stuff, we have to do the not so fun stuff. So I have my laundry basket right here. We're gonna get some laundry going. I'm going to go get some water because it's the first thing that we do in the mornings. I already showered, so yeah, let's go ahead and go. I'll take you guys with me. First thing that I love to do in the mornings, and I'm sure you guys are well aware, is I make sure that I drink some water, because if I don't drink water in the morning, I'm not gonna drink water throughout the day. Something that I've been doing recently is putting chia seeds in my water, and best decision I have ever made in my life. We also do have to go to Walmart to get some, or Dollar Tree maybe, to get some fun Halloween stuff for some little kids. I know it's past Halloween already, but the thing is, here in Oklahoma we had a severe ice storm which canceled class, canceled work, canceled everything for me, which was a nice little 1 week break, but now we're having to play catch up. You know, you guys know how that works. And start it.
Started out with half and I flipped it in a double. Started out with half and I flipped it in a double.
Water. We're gonna get our bag of tea. These are the ones that I've been drinking recently. It's just linden flower tea. And this just helps me whenever I'm like super stressed out or, you know, going through it. So I like to drink these. Okay, and this part of the day is where I literally just come to my room, make my bed, tidy up the mess that I've created, and I jam to music. I don't know if you can hear it in the back, hopefully not.
Started out with half and I flipped it in a double.
But look at what my dad bought for me. Literally the cutest freaking thing. You put it on your head, and then you can stick your hands through here. Oh, like, isn't it so cute? And literally it keeps me so warm. Here we had an ice storm like I was telling y'all about, and the power went out. So I didn't have power for 2 whole days. So you best believe that this thing right here was keeping me warm. And yeah, so I love this thing, and I literally wear it all the time. Like, Pops, you're a real one. This is the candle that I've been burning all fall. As you can tell, it's almost done. This is the pumpkin vanilla cream. It smells so good. I love it. Even like after I turn it off and I leave and I come back, you can still smell it in the room, which is something that I love. But yeah, but I wanted to show you guys my updated makeup routine. I really haven't been doing way too much, and I just kind of wanted to show you guys the simple products that I've been using. First of all, holy freaking grail, this is the Rare Beauty eyebrow pencil. I'm in the shade Deep Brown. I guess one side is Brown Harmony and the other side is Deep Brown. This pencil has saved my whole makeup routine, and in 1, 2, like 3 seconds I do my eyebrows. I think I talked about this in my last video, but you guys don't realize how much of a staple this eyebrow pencil has become. But if you just do it really lightly, you get the perfect brows in like literally 2 seconds. Y'all know that usually it takes me a while and I can't really talk whenever I'm doing my eyebrows, but with this thing right here, it's literally so quick. And then I do use the other side and then just go through my brows very, very like lightly. Not only is it something quick to do, but your eyebrows stay on all day, and that's what we need. Okay, so then the next one, you guys know I swear by this. I love this product. It's the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. This thing right here is my whole entire life. I grab a little bit on the back of my hand and I just put it all over my face. I just blend it out like a moisturizer, because it's basically what it is, but it has some color to it, and it just makes your face super dewy. And then the other Holy Grail product that I've been using is the Rare Beauty, I know, concealer. Like, I love it so much. Like, this concealer is super, super good, and I'm so thankful that I have it. And I will say, I think maybe I got too dark of a shade. I'm not really sure, because once you put it on, it looks dark, but then you start blending and it kind of like matches. So I think we're good. It's in the shade 280N. So that's what I have, if you're like around my skin shade. Another Holy Grail product, as if you guys haven't already figured out, the NYX eyeliner in the shade Brown Perfection, and I love this thing. I've recently been lining my waterline with brown, and I just go on the bottom of my waterline. You're probably thinking, girl, no, like don't do that, like that's gonna make your eyes look smaller and stuff. And although I don't think it really does make my eyes look smaller, because it's brown, it's not really black, and it's not like fully deeply on there, I just kind of put it like lightly down here, you know, just to give me a little bit of like a bad girl vibe, I think it gives me. And then I just like to go on the top as well. And I don't really do a wing. I more so just kind of line the top of it. And then I just go in with my ring finger and I just smudge it out. And I love the way that it makes it look like low-key a soft smoky eye, but nothing too serious. And the thing that I love about that eyeliner is that it doesn't dry quick. So you have plenty of time to like correct it and fix it. And then my eyes just look, you know, like this, and I really, really like it a lot. This one right here has been a staple, and it's literally has 4 shades, and it's the only shades that you need. It's this e.l.f. palette in the shade Berry Bad. So speaking about me feeling like a bad girl, you know, with this look, this palette is called Berry Bad. It fits what, you know, the look that I'm going for. So it has these 4 shades right here, super cute. I just go in with this shade right here, and I kind of just like pop it on top of my eye, just like this. And that's how you know that it's a simple, simple, simple look, is me not even using a mirror. We're just going for like the grunge, simple look. And it just looks like that, and literally so effortless, so fast, so quick. And that's all that I do with my makeup. If you guys are real ones, you know where I got these, because I told y'all. And you also know where I got this, because I've already told y'all as well. So yeah, that's just my outfit for today. Super cute. Okay, let's go ahead and head to the store. See y'all in a bit.
Hi, can I just get a medium iced coffee with only like 1 pump of the caramel? Medium iced coffee with only 1 pump of caramel? Yes. Thank you.
Literally, I didn't find anything, but I did buy some stuff. So I bought this string that I need for the candy. So I'm gonna be using this. I was looking for some pencils, but I didn't find any. And then I got some Reese's. Comment down below if you say Reese's or Reese's. No, I know there's a right way to say it, but you can't change it now. Like all my life I've said that. So I'm gonna have one of these because I'm a little bit stressed out. And then I also bought these. These are my favorite chocolates in the whole entire world. Can y'all see that? Yes. These, literally, I love these. If you ever see me in person and you love me, you can get me some of these. I'm obsessed with them. And then I got one last thing, some headbands, because you guys know that I cut my bangs again, so whenever I go to work sometimes they're in the way. So I needed some headbands, so I just got some. They're so good. I feel for the people who have like a peanut allergy. Like, I'm so sorry. I don't know how you do it. Like, literally chocolate is my whole entire life. And my favorite kinds of chocolates are the ones that have peanut butter in them. So I would literally, I guess you've never really tried them, right? Because you're allergic. How does that work? I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna open these up to have some of these too. I haven't ate anything all day. This is my first meal of the day. So yeah, so we're just gonna have like a handful of these. Oh, and these are the headbands that I bought. Nothing too fancy. They just look like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go home, do homework, and what else am I gonna do? I'm gonna go home, do homework, and then go to school.